Geothermal power plant. Geothermal power plant uses its geothermal activity to generate power. This type of natural energy production is extremely environmentally friendly and used in many geothermal hotspots around the globe. To harness the energy, deep holes are drilled into the earth until a significant geothermal hotspot is found. When the heat source has been discovered, a pipe is attached deep down inside the hole, which allows hot steam from deep within the Earth's crust to rise up to the surface. The pressurized steam is then channeled into a turbine, which begins to turn under the large force of the steam. This turbine is linked to the generator, and so the generator also begins to turn, generating electricity. When the pump cold water down, a new pipe which is heated by the earth and sent back up the first pipe to repeat the process. The main problems with geothermal energy is that first, you must not pump too much cold water into the earth, as this could cool the rocks too much, resulting in your geothermal heat source cooling down. And secondly, geothermal power plants must be careful of escaping gases from deep within the earth. A very good way of thinking about geothermal energy is remembering that all our continents lie on molten rock deep within the earth. This rock produces tremendous levels of the heat that we are able to extract. Just think of your nation lying on a bed of fire. Geothermal power is one of the most renewable energy sources that exists on our planet today. The Earth will contain this heat for our lifetime. If this heat disappears, our planet will become too cold to survive on. You can purchase small-scale geothermal equipment for your home, yet this works in a different manner to geothermal power stations. The power stations extract the heat directly from deep within the earth, whereas home geothermal hot water equipment absorbs heat over a lengthy period of time from a few meters beneath your feet. Geothermal ground source heat pumps. Alternative geothermal energy systems are available, yet instead of providing power, they focus on providing heat and warmth. This heat can be used to heat water for your home or to simply provide heating for your house. Geothermal energy systems utilizing ground source heat pumps are different to geothermal power systems. The main difference is that ground source heat pump system only make use of the first few meters of ground. Water is usually pumped through one end of a lengthy piping system, and by the time it reaches the other end, the water is of a higher temperature than it was at the start. This allows for an energy-efficient boiler system, as it doesn't have to boil water from coal. The great advantage of geothermal ground source heat pumps is that they can be used in many locations, even cold regions as Norway and Sweden. See efficient results when using ground source heat pumps. A geothermal heat pump system can be very efficient in providing your home with a source of lower cost of hot water. The use of a ground source heat pump with a backup boiler allows your boiler to use less energy to heat the water than it would have previously. This can save you significant amounts of money of energy bills for your home or business. Geothermal power plant. How does it work? Geothermal power plants use steam to drive a turbine, which turns a generator to produce electricity. The turbine is like a large propeller. When the steam flows through it, it creates lift along the edge of the blades, spinning the turbine. The turbine is attached to an electric generator, which is basically a spinning magnet surrounded by coils of wire. When the magnet spins, its magnetic field moves through the wire. This creates a moving electric current in the wire called alternating current or AC. That electric current is then sent out to power homes, businesses, and other buildings. Geothermal power plant, the advantages and disadvantages. The advantages is geothermal energy does not produce any pollution and does not contribute to the greenhouse effect. Second, the power stations do not take up much room, so there is not much impact on the environment. Third, no fuel is needed. Fourth, once you've built a geothermal power station, the energy is almost free. It may need a little energy to run a pump, but this can be taken from the energy being generated. Disadvantages. The big problem is that there are not many places where you can build a geothermal power station. First, you need hot rocks of a suitable type at a depth where we can drill down to them. Second, the type of rock above is also important. It must be of a type that we can easily drill through. Third, sometimes a geothermal site may run out of steam, perhaps for decades. Fourth, hazardous gases and minerals may come up from the underground and can be difficult to safely dispose of. Environmental impacts. Geothermal power plants do have some environmental impacts. However, these impacts should be balanced against geothermal energy's advantages over conventional power sources when conducting assessment of power plant project environmental impacts. The primary impacts of geothermal plant construction and energy production are gaseous emissions, land use, noise, and potential grant subsidence.